question number second is 3x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 0. Then first of all we have to convert it standard quadratic equation, like this implies that I'm going to multiply by 3 in both the sides. Then I'll get 3 3 is a 9x square minus 3 2 is 6x plus if I multiply by 3 by in 1 by 3, then it will become 1, which is equals to 3 into 0 is 0. Okay, and now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we will get a equals to 9 and b equals to minus 6 and c equals to 1 here. Then discriminant equals to d, and which equals to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant denoted by d, and d equals to b square minus 4ac. Then the value of b square minus 4ac, I'm going to put all the values of a, b and c. Then here will be minus 6 square minus 4 into the value of a is 9 and the value of c is 1. Then it will be minus 6 square 36, and 4 9s are 36. 36 into 1 will be all 36, and 36 minus 36 will be 0. Clearly we get b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. And as our the conditions, if b square minus 4 is equals to 0, then the quadratic equation has two real and equal roots. Then we can write here the given equation has, hence the given equation has two equal real roots. Okay, next question is question number fourth. The given question is x square minus 1 by 2x plus 4 is equals to 0, and we have to discuss the nature of roots. Then for discussing the nature of roots, we had to find the discriminant. Then I'm going to first of all I'm going to write the given quadratic equation in standard form. Then I'm going to multiply by 2 in both the sides. Then I'll get 2x square minus x plus 4 to the 8 is equals to 0 into 2 will be 0. Comparing the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then we will get a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 8. And as we know the formula of discriminant, d equals to b square minus 4ac. I'm going to put all the values of a, b and c. Then here will be minus 1 square minus 4 into the value of a is 2 and the value of c is 8. Then it will be 1 minus 8 4 into 2, 4 to the 8 and 8 is a 64, and 1 minus 64 will be minus 63, obviously, which is negative, means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It means by the given conditions, or if b square minus 4 is less than 0, then the quadratic equation has no real roots. Then we can write here, hence quadratic equation has no real roots. Okay, this is our answer. Question number third is first we have to find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations, and if a real root exists, then we have to find that roots. The first question is x square minus 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. First of all, we have to write the given quadratic equation in standard form. Then for this I'm going to multiply by 2 in both the sides. Then we will get 2x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, I'm going to compare this quadratic equation comparing with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will get a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 1. Okay, then the value of discriminant d equals to b square minus 4ac, and by putting the values of a, b and c, then it will be minus 1 square minus 4 into the value of a is 2 and c is minus 1. Then it will be 1 square is 1 and minus minus will be positive, and 4 to the 8, which is equals to 9. Clearly it is greater than 0, means discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 by the first case. Hence the given quadratic equation has two different real roots. Okay, and this is the nature of roots, and in the question it is also given that we have to find the that roots. That's why I am going to write here, by the Sridharacharya rule, x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac by 2 into a. This is equals to, the value of b is negative of 1, and negative will be positive, then it will be 1 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac is also calculated, it is 9. Then here I am going to write 9, and 2 into the value of a is 2, then it will be 2, and 1 plus minus root over 9 will be 3 by 2 to the 4. Okay, first I am going to take positive, then it will be 1 plus 3 by 4, and again I am going to take negative, then 1 minus 3 by 4, then it will be 1 plus 3 by 4 means 4 by 4 will be 1, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 by 4 will be minus 1 by 2. Hence their roots will be 1 and minus 1 by 2. Hence roots are 1 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, next one is question number 4. Second, the given question is it says without solving the following quadratic equation, find the value of p for which the given quadratic equation has real and equal roots. Okay, I am going to compare the given quadratic equation with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then we get a equals to 1 and b equals to p minus 3 and c equals to p. Okay, and for real and the given condition is real and equal roots. In the given equation, the condition is real and equal roots, and here is the condition of real and equal roots is b square minus 4ac should equals to 0. Then for real and equal roots the discriminant b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. I am going to put the value of a, b and c. Then here will be b is p minus 3 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is 1 and c is p, which is equals to 0. The square of p minus 3 is p square plus 3 3 is a 9 minus 3 2 is a 6p minus 4p, which is equals to 0, means p square plus 9 and minus 10p is equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation in p. Then p square minus 10p plus 9 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in p, and if we solve it, then we will get p minus 9 and p minus 1 is equals to 0, because of minus 9 multiply of minus 9 minus 1 is equals to 9, and the addition of minus 9 or minus 1 will be minus 10. Okay, then this implies that p is equals to, this bracket will give 1 and this bracket will give 9, then p will be equals to 1 9. Okay, this is our answer.